For my project, I made an Arduino Shield that was supposed to play music. It didn't end up as expected, but I will show you some pictures, and here's the video. During the video, it shows a woman showing each part of the shield and describing what it is. Like right now, she turns it on, and then she's going to point out the SD card, and then right next to the SD card is the knob that controls sound. There are two parts where you can play sound from. There's either the speakers or the headphone jack, and then there's the knob that controls the sound, and then it goes on to play different songs, music, and talks by itself. And now I'll show you what I used to help me create it. First, it showed me what tools I needed, so I got a soldering iron, the solder, and the cutters, which cut down the wire so it wasn't sticking out so much. One of my main problems was that the wires weren't all straight. Some of them were crooked, which probably messed with the connection. The next part, this was the biggest help that I had. It had step-by-step instructions on where to put what and what the different parts that you were supposed to attach looked like. This was very helpful because without it I probably wouldn't have had any idea of what I was doing. And then after you made the entire shield, you had to attach it to the Arduino with those pins, and that was what the Arduino looked like. I bought mine from Amazon and attached it in the last week. And then the last part of this website that helped was it showed different ways that you could make the SD card easier to read for the Arduino, so it could play the sound. Like you had to change the way it was worded, and you couldn't have capital letters were easier for it to read than lowercase, so you had to change that. If I could redo my project, I would have gone slower and got all my tools at the beginning, used my time more wisely, and I probably would have gotten a clamp so it was more steady instead of just doing it on a table. But this is my project, and thank you for watching.